All right, what's going on, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Wonderful day today. Today we're going to be installing the fuel cell and the Buddy Club seat and Boosted 2.0. Let's get it.
I give you my heart.
All right, what's going on, guys? I'm getting ready to install the seat. I'm probably not going to film too much of it or give you guys a time lapse. It's pretty self-explanatory. So here's the instructions here. So here's the two rails, the two brackets. Go on like so. Put the nuts on. So then you bolt the seat, the rails.
This didn't come out of it. I'm sorry. I just want to make sure I don't lose shit, bro.
He keeps interrupting me and it's hitting me in a soft spot. I don't want to yell or scream or get mad.
I just don't want to lose shit.
All right.
It's new, bro.
So we're going to get to cracking on this. We're not going to film too much of it. But what we will be filming is the fuel cell. So stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and throw the seat together and get back with you when we go and throw it in the car. So, all right, guys. So here's an update. Sorry I didn't film too much. Seat rails were a real pain in the butt. But here's the final product. Right here. And it's nice. It's straight finally. Here's the camera. So it's a bitch to get in and out of. Here's your phone all stuff on it.
Shit, you're good. Dude,
So
it's Gorilla Glass.
I'm gonna need an NRG steering wheel or slide the seat back.
Yeah, I'll try that first, because like I said, if you slide it back, yeah, I didn't even think you were going to be able to get out.
But it's super snug. I'm in love with it. It's everything I've always wanted. I mean, I've had it in every other car, but I never went and spent the money for the actual rails. I kept making my own brackets and using the stock rails. And I mean, the aftermarket rails are where it's at. It actually works. And
It took us a minute to figure it out, though.
fits like it's supposed to. This is all the way back.
Yeah, that looks a lot more comfortable. I would not sit up as close.
It's freaking perfect, dude.
Yeah, try to get out that way, man.
To get out this way, I think it'll be
More than perfect. Yeah.
easy.
We'll just clean those cords up, and then you don't got to worry about anything.
Yep. So next is the harness bar. We're gonna get to fuel cell in just a moment, and yeah. So let's get cracking on. We're gonna do a little bit of housekeeping, and we're gonna start on the fuel cell. All right, guys. So here's the fuel cell. Got off eBay. It's a 20-gallon, extra big, because at the horsepower level I'm going at, I feel like a 15-gallon would. I'm not so sure if it would get good. Like any high horsepower car is not going to get good gas mileage. But I want to take this on like long road trips across the United States. Maybe do a rally.
E85 too.
And I'm running on E85, so the hose it came with isn't the right hose for E85. However, I'm gonna get that. So if you notice it for E85, you need to run at it's what's called P. I'll post a little thumbnail right here of what it's called, but it's a special hose. If you don't, it'll start leaking through. It'll start eating the hose up. So this hose they provided is not gonna be a benefit to me. It is actually pretty long. Only thing I can benefit it from is to see if it's actually gonna reach and see how long this is. But I'm not worried about that. I'm gonna order a bigger line anyways, and then we'll do like 8AN. We'll go with an 8AN fitting for this. So 10 into 8. I believe is what this is. So these are like 10AN fittings, and we'll go 10 into 8. And then we'll just actually pull it all out real quick, and we're gonna test fit everything, and then we'll get back with you guys. So this is actually a lot bigger than what I thought. I knew 20 gallons was a lot, but maybe I should have got the 15-gallon one, because I'm not so sure this beast is going to
Dude, it's E85. 20 is probably not even going to be enough. I tell you, that shit's gonna get sucked down real quick, my dude.
Oh, fuck. So here's we're gonna have to make a plug for that. And it's got all the foam and everything in there, and there's the float, so
Here, let me.
it's got foam and everything in there.
Yeah, you can't see with the lighting.
Yeah, but figure out how my fuel pump and everything will get mounted inside. If not, I don't know that this has a... Yeah, the sump is right here, so this is the back. I might have to get an inline fuel pump. Not too sure. Might have to go with an inline. I don't think so. I think we can use this. But we'll see what happens. This is my first fuel cell. I've never installed one before, so it's all new to me. I'm going to go ahead and figure it out. Go mount it in the car, see what lines I'm going to need. So we'll get back with you guys. And yeah. All right, what's going on, guys? Here's a little update with the fuel cell. It's, as you can see, it's kind of a little bit dark out now.
Dead though.
Here, anyway, so here's a little update. We've got it mounted up. We're just trying to level it out now. So we're gonna build tabs here, and so we got this big hole right here and here. So I'm thinking about using some all thread. For that, I've heard people doing that, and I think that would be a good idea. But for this, I just beat this in with a hammer, just a little bit. Watch out, Cam.
Oh shoot.
So, thing is though, you want your cell to be level. You don't want it any other way. So I'm gonna go ahead, drill a tab there, or drill a hole there, and then drill the hole there. Shove all thread through the bottom, so that way we can adjust make it level and not level. So that's the update what we got so far. And then we're gonna run to town eventually, and we're gonna go grab a level to see what we're working with, because I use my phone for a level and it says it's level, but I'm eyeballing it, and I mean when I'm looking at it,
Dude, our eyeballs are
it almost looks level, but I want an actual level to make sure, and that way the sump works properly because it's all gravity fed. If it's not level, it's not gonna work proper. So that's a little update. We've got the Buddy Club, the rails, everything in, looks good, feels great. We had to take out the battery box, what we moved over. So we're working around things. So we're gonna go ahead and drill this and get back with you guys. So I've made my mark right here, and then I'm gonna make my mark right here. So this is what we're looking at right here.
Here, I grabbed 3. I didn't know if any of these were dead or not.
Oh, perfect. All right, hold the camera. All right, so
Hold on.
we're gonna make our mark. That looks perfect. All right. That'll be a good reference point.
And then you already
I don't
marked
know
this.
if it's. We'll start small. We'll start with the
Dude,
smaller.
I just put the one that
wanna-
fits, because that one that's on there is the perfect size.
I want to start small.
Alright, bet.
I want to start small and then work our way to a bigger one. I don't want to.
Dude, that drill is tricky. I don't want to cut ourselves with it. That's
What's the smaller bit at? What did I just do with it?
it's in the box. It's right there, right there. No, other side, right there.
Fuck. I'm blind.
That's fast.
Yeah. Watch your phone. Alright. So we got our hole there and a hole here. Now, see, I'm I'm not so sure. It's 10. Now what do we need?
If anything, we can just get bolts and mount it up like that. We don't need anything bigger.
Well, it's gotta be level. The thing is, it's gotta be level. So if we use all thread, we'll be able to adjust it.
Yeah. We just have to get that before we start fucking mocking stuff up and mounting it. Because if anything, that's what I'm worried about. Because if that was out of the way, we'd have a lot more room to work with.
Well, not really, because it would only slide forward more and be a gaping hole in the back. And that little support beam right there is alright. So the next step is we'll grab a real level and we'll see what we're...
Damn, you got demonized.
So we'll see what we're working with. I'm not liking these though. These eBay bullshit.
If anything, we can get some like... Yeah, those don't even feel that good, man. I don't know.
All AN fittings are like cheap feeling. They don't feel expensive.
Really?
They feel like real cheap aircraft aluminum. But it's just the way it just... I feel like it would leak almost. Like...
Yeah, because that's what I'm saying. Those don't even go all the way down.
No.
And I'm not even joking. That fucks with my OCD. That would piss me off. If it's not flush, it's not right.
And... if anything, this will be our leveling point. We can bolt it down as is.
And then just use...
And then when we beat that back, if we have to beat that back any...
Yeah, because if anything, we can take some of this off. Because it's already starting to come off.
But I want to see what we're at now, so I guess... You have a level at your house?
I think my dad does, yeah. If anything, we can close up, start fresh tomorrow. Or if anything, fucking go get the level, come back, level it out, and then start fresh tomorrow.
Yeah. So I want to see what we're starting with. So I'm liking what I see right now, but I'm not liking what my phone says when it says it's level. I'm about to believe my phone over... Oh.
Hey, when we get the real level, if it says it's level, I will officially trust the phone.
Yeah. Until then, I don't trust shit.
She's coming along though. Especially with the Buddy Club and the RSX wheel, man. That's looking dope.
And this is going to hold a lot of fuel, so it's going to be 20 gallons of...
20 gallons of fast.
More like weight, but...
Don't be a dick. You can't go fast without a little bit of gas.
Yeah. This is more like a 600 horsepower hatchback, but it'll be able to travel long distances, so... We'll see. So... That's going to be it for today. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.